I will make this video the most popular on YouTube before 2026 and fulfill one of my biggest childhood dreams. The dream of being the world's best in something, in anything. Childhood is over, but the dream stayed. Now I'm 28, and I'm not gonna back down. I will make it happen. When I was a kid, I wanted to be a magician, the best magician, like Houdini. My father gave me many magic sets to practice with, but I was obsessed with card tricks, transformation, flourish, cardistry. I knew them all. I even made YouTube videos teaching people all these tricks, but no one really came to my performances, and the dream kind of faded away. So I had to improvise, and eventually became a YouTuber. Alright, the most popular YouTube video right now is Baby Shark with 14.7 billion views. Obviously, there's no chance to make any normal video that would get so many views. This must be a music video, and a damn good one for us to get those repeated views. Because we need more views than there are people on Earth. Almost double that number. Even the most popular MrBeast video has 624 million views. It's over 20 times less than we need. Basically, we need to create a video that people will watch over and over again. A perfectly, scientifically engineered virality. But we're not gonna do that because I have a plan. There is this thing called Google Ads. You know it. You see these ads every time you open a video on every website you visit. Me and my partner use them to show our videos back to people who already watch the channel. If your YouTube channel is your business, this trick is like a sales multiplier. And here's the kicker. Views from ads get counted just like any other views. So basically, we can just buy these 15 billion views. Now, I just want to say that I'm not the only one who has this dream. My partner Vlad dreams of exactly the same thing. He has this perfectionist syndrome, which forces him to always try and be the best, be in the top of his class, winning the spelling bee, that sort of thing. We're like twins here, and we're gonna make this dream come true together. How much would that cost? Well, when we do ads, the lowest CPV cost per view is less than 1 cent. If we turn off all targeting and let the algorithms show the ad to anyone, we can get this price as low as 0.7 cents per view. The least targeted the views are, the cheaper they are. Let's do the math. 15 billion multiplied by 0.7 cent, $105 million. That's how much our dream costs. It's not a cheap dream, not gonna lie. Dreaming of owning a Ferrari would have been cheaper, but here we are. Would I really spend $100 million on a dream if I had this kind of money? Definitely, 100%. And you know why? Well, because money doesn't make you happy. I know I just made all of you angry, but it's true. Money does make you happy indirectly through the things you can do with them. You start earning more, your lifestyle gets better. You live in a better house, wear nicer clothes, and drive more expensive cars. But once you pass a certain threshold and your life stops changing all that much, money kind of loses sense and becomes just paper. How much different can your life be if you had 20K a month salary and 40K? Different, but not by much. I pretty much live the same life I lived when I made 40% less money, just because that's where I'm the most comfortable. This threshold is different for everyone. For you, maybe 10,000 a month. For someone else, it can be 50,000 a month, but it always happens, always. I know that our company will make this kind of money many times over. Gosh, the whole world will see our video twice. And the company already made $1.2 million with only a couple million views. How much do you think we could make from 15 billion? 12 million bucks? 50? Even if these will all be irrelevant views, everyone will see the video. The biggest news in the world, a video taking over YouTube. Just think of all that publicity. Any video with a promotion budget of $100 million instantly becomes the most popular video ever. That much money can make anything popular. Sure, half of that will go to Google for running the ads, and half will go to the actual channels. It's all about the dream come true. I wanted to be a magician, but didn't make it. My partner Vlad wanted to be the world's best chess player, then a basketball player, and also didn't make it. We all are used to thinking that dreams are just that, dreams. Something that can't come true, something we have to chase forever. But together we've built a big company with a big future, and fulfilling our biggest dream is now closer than ever. And I'm sure you can fulfill your dreams as well. Big dreams, small dreams, any dreams. Usually we think that dreams are this ethereal thing, but our dream has its price, $105 million. Now you might say, why don't you just reinvest this money and create a video so good that it gets those views naturally? Well, sure, we can do that, but answer this. what are the guarantees? Can anyone guarantee that this video that costs $100 million will get those 15 billion views? My 10 years of YouTube experience say that there are no guarantees whatsoever. The chances are literally 50-50, even if it's 90 to 10 in our favor. I won't risk it. If I spend $100 million on Google Ads, I know for sure that I will get my money's worth. I will get those views. 100 mil is a lot of money. Not many people ever see that much money in their life, but we know how to earn them. So here is the game plan. As I said, we already have $1.2 million from our company. We already are insanely lucky to get that far. And this kind of proves that we're not idiots, that we know what we're doing. So we're gonna reinvest all this cash into our company, into our channels. We'll make even better videos, more videos, all to earn those $105 million. I know it sounds a bit insane, boosting the revenue 10 times in a few years, and it probably is insane. But if we change the perspective, because technically we need to earn 103.8 millions in 1.5 years. Now this sounds less like a fever dream and more like an objective. I think you will agree with me on this, but reaching the objective is always easier than chasing a dream. So here's another bonus life tip. Turn your dreams into objectives and you will reach them in no time. And together, Vlad, you, and me, we can reach this goal. If you want to take part in creating the world's most popular video, visit a link in the description. On the site, you will see the progress in real time and the supporters. And if you feel like it, you can too contribute a few dollars. Now, don't worry, your donations won't be used for anything but the ads. We personally are not counting your donations. We put all our faith in the company and commercial products. The coolest part about it all is that you can help us without spending a penny. All you need to do is watch and share our videos. On this channel, we share tons of YouTube secrets and explain how you can grow your channel from an idea to a full-fledged business. Then, when the video blows up, it's gonna be your victory too. Now, I must confess, this video you're watching is not the one that will get 15 billion views. All because if we're gonna run ads on it, it's gonna completely destroy the channel. All these ad views will come from different people and demographics, messing up the channel's audience. That's why we created a new channel just for this. All we need is views, so we don't care what happens to that channel later. And I've uploaded a video too, with a premiere scheduled for December 31st, 2025. Now, want to see the video itself? The link to the website where you can join our cause is in the description. You will see all the people who donated and a live money counter, and when we reach the sum we need, I will release the video to the public and everyone will see it. Yeah, even if it happens earlier than December 31st, 2025. The journey ahead of us isn't gonna be easy, the goal is very ambitious, but I know we can make it. And if some other YouTuber wants to break my record and spends $100 million to make his most popular video ever, we'll just earn 200 millions and beat him. And I want you to do the same, to push through, to always find strength to fight. What's your dream? Leave a comment down below.